We got a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 LARAMIE. Came through, we gave it a Muffy D, a muffler delete, and chopped off those little resonators in the back. Let me show you. One of our great fabricators over here, DJ, is spraying it down. He already checked for leaks. This is where he did all of the work. Chopped off that muffler, which is right here, and ran 3-inch piping. Coming to the back, it does go into a Y pipe right there. It splits. It is a stock Y. And we ran, this is where the 2 resonators were, right here and over here. We ran the 2 1/4 inch piping for those and took those off. They're pretty restricting, right here. So it's basically straight piped. The cats are still on there. So let me know what you guys think.